Today we're gonna make a pizza party. We're gonna use my beloved Roccbox and we're gonna make pizza with pepperoni, pizza with salsiccia, margherita, and then we'll see how the night goes. So the first thing we need to do is to bring the Roccbox to temperature, and we do that in gas. Come here, come here. I always forget how to install the gas, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. You keep this valve on the side. Here there's a little button. You press the button and you push that in. You take the valve and you put it straight. You gonna help me? Mm-hmm. Do like this. Like that. And we put it straight. So this is our gas connected, so let's turn it on. For the gas, we press, we turn, and we go. We got the fire? Mm-hmm. Perfect. The Roccbox will take about 30 minutes to 40 minutes to heat up. And once it's into temperature, it will actually burn away all this dirt in the stone, so when we start to cook it, it's gonna be fantastically clean. And while we wait for the oven to get to temperature, we get to prep. We need to prepare the mozzarella and we need to prepare the tomato sauce. And when it comes to the tomato sauce, there's only one way to make it, and that's the Italian way. Anything which is cooked, it's not Italian, and to be honest, it's a total overkill. So let me show you how to do it properly. All you gotta do, in a blender, some plum tomatoes, pinch of salt, then you add some good quality extra virgin olive oil, Italian of course. We close this and we take it for a spin. Then we get to transfer this into a container. And then we add few leaves of basil. That's all you need, no garlic, no other weird stuff, no cooking. This will cook as you cook the pizza. Prepare it half an hour before so that the basil has time to infuse. And this is done. For the mozzarella, instead, I've got here some fior di latte, which I've just sliced. The other thing you can do, if you want, and you can be bothered to slice it, is just, again, put it in a blender and let blend it out. First up, it's pizza margherita. We start off with some semola on the counter. Then we take one on the pizza. It's important to have a lot of semola, otherwise everything sticks. Just make it into a little ball and start flattening it from the center, moving your way to the edges. You want to keep the edges quite big. You want to make that cornicione, so that kind of puffs up as you cook. Once you made a circle, you're going to add your tomato. Don't put too much, just put a thin layer of tomato, that's quite enough. Then some Parmigiano, that adds so much flavor. Many people don't do it, but you gotta do it. In Napoli they do it. Then you add the mozzarella, as much as you like. Swirl of extra virgin olive oil. And then one final stretch once you put it in the peel. And then this gets shot into the Roccbox. And then with 30 seconds, do the first turn and keep turning it every 20 seconds. And after 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, your pizza is ready to be sliced up. This is definitely making me feel pretty hungry. Second pizza is the one with salsiccia, with sausage. Again, once you've made the round dough, one thin layer of tomato, always remember the Parmigiano, and you add the salsiccia. This salsiccia I pre-cooked because I feel that with the pizza cooking in only 2 minutes, it's better to pre-cook your sausage. Then add your usual mozzarella, a little bit of chili. I want some kick for this one. As usual, one final stretch into the peel. This is where I usually mess up. It ends up being a square instead of a circle, but anyway. And then we shoot it in. Ooh, I love watching it cook. And this is my favorite go-to pizza topping. It's got pretty much everything. I love sausage, a bit of spice. Ooh, I love this one. Last one is probably the meat feast, where I'm gonna put every single meat I've got. A little bit of salami. This one is salami Milano. And then I'm gonna put the leftover sausage, our usual mozzarella. And if you've been paying attention, what did I forget? Yeah, I forgot the Parmigiano, so I'm adding it at the end. You're supposed to add it at the beginning, but that's okay. Back into the Roccbox. Ooh. Actually, is this my favorite? No, I think the first one is my favorite. Anyway, they're both pretty awesome. And these are just a few ideas of pizza toppings. Buon appetito!